In this video, I'm gonna show you how to knit a 1x1 rib. Of course, this method is not new, but there are several things to talk about. To start, a few words about my knitting style. I always use thin needles and fine yarn. For example, here I'm using 175mm needles, but the ribbing, this one, will look great on thicker needles, on thicker yarn. This is how it looks. I like it, and let's get started. So the pattern repeat consists of just 2 stitches, 1 knit, 1 purl. I always knit the continental style and prefer to knit through the back loop, like this. However, when I'm working on ribbing and knitting the knit stitch, I catch the yarn from underneath rather than from above. See, this is my usual way, but for the ribbing I go from the underneath like that. And the purl stitch is just a regular purl stitch. See? So again, I'm going from underneath, grabbing the yarn and making a loop, and just a regular purl stitch. And I repeat that over and over. Knit and purl, knit and purl. When I finish the ribbing for the main part of the sweater, I would knit the stitches by catching the yarn from above again, but we will talk about that a little bit later. So yeah, this is how the ribbing looks. Like I said, it will look good also on thicker yarns. So if you have any questions, you are welcome to the comments section, and I hope you have fun knitting.